What's the meaning of compensatory? Compensatory. Compensatory.
Compensatory. Compensatory. The word compensatory refers to something that is intended to make up for or balance out a loss or deficiency. It typically implies an attempt to restore equilibrium by providing some form of compensation or reparation. For example, someone who has suffered a financial loss may seek compensatory damages in court to recover their losses. In psychology, compensatory behavior refers to actions that are undertaken to alleviate feelings of inadequacy or insecurity. Overall, the term compensatory suggests a response to a negative situation that aims to restore balance or improve the outcome.